Hello everyone, as part of our beginners class, today we are learning how to stitch. So the act of stitching straight doesn't come by magic, okay? It is continuous practice that will help you to be able to control your stitches, to get your stitches straight, okay? And today I have assembled some lines, some curves that would help you to master the act of sewing straight curves and corners. So let's get into it. To start with, I have lines, straight lines. I have these straight lines with some curves. I have this squares. I have this one too. Then I have spiral, I have zigzag, then I have scallop lines. Okay, so all these lines are supposed to help you to practice how to sew straight, how to sew curves, and how to sew corners smoothly. They are not easy from the beginning, but continuous practice will make you master. Let's learn a technique that would help you to sew your corners and your curves smoothly. Okay, so let's start from this corner. Okay, so where the arrow is showing, let's sew through the broken lines. When you get to this point, bring your needle down so that it will be stuck in your fabric. Okay, and raise the presser foot, then turn your fabric smoothly and continue sewing through the broken lines, just like you see me doing. Okay, then when you get to this point again, lower your needle so that it will be stuck in your fabric. Raise your presser foot and turn your fabric and continue sewing. Then when you get to this point too, you do the same thing. Okay, so the act of leaving your needle in the fabric and raising your presser foot so that you can turn it and sew smoothly is called pivoting. Okay, pivoting. So I have the definition here for you. You can pause it and read. Okay, then these are some of the importance of pivoting. So yeah, that is that. It's a technique that would help you sew your corners and your curves smoothly. Remember, this is part of our free online beginners class. Okay, so you can join the train as we all learn how to sew together. I have this particular video. I have a video on how to take measurements, how to draft, how to thread and wind bobbin. So stay tuned as we all learn together. I love you all. Bye.